Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Robinhood to your bank. First, open the Robinhood app and log in. Tap the person icon in the bottom right. Tap the three lines in the top left to open the menu. Go to Transfers and select Transfer Money. Choose your from account, example Robinhood, and your to account, example Link Bank. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm. Now you'll have two options. A standard transfer, free, takes 4 to 5 business days, or an instant transfer, arrives right away but has a fee. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Robinhood to your bank. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.